to buy a house. Kung may nagbigay sa atin. Pero daw may nagbigay sa atin. Sir, someone gave us money. Let's go buy a house. Wait, sissy, stay there. Stay. Okay. Sissy. Where are you? Quit. Yeah. Saan ka? Yan ka lang. Yes. Set. Okay, since we're gonna buy a house, but only a broken one since we can't afford a normal one. I don't know. Say no, N-O. We got money. That's whole. That's whole. That's whole. That's whole. Whoa. Just let me say something to you. Yes, I'm here. Accept this, okay? Now going to our house. Yeah. Sis, we still have a bit of money left. We have a bit more money left. Let's put it in our bank. Nilagay ko na daw. Hindi daw. Sis, that's a plant pot. We have to plant things in that. I'm gonna open this. What's inside? Sis, we have snacks. Yay, I love snacks. Later, let's eat it. First, let's watch TV, okay? TV. Hindi daw, wala daw. Oh, dolphins! Let's watch dolphins. Whoa! They're making like a circle. Yeah, looking like a circle. Oh no, another dolphin is looking us. Pero now, pwede nag-jump sa dolphin. Nagulat ka daw. This is just a screen. Pero tapos na yung show. I want another show. What? Wait a minute. We don't find this buy some, but first I'm gonna say to this girl no, okay? Wait a minute, okay? No. Girl, please. No, girl. We have a dot money. We have a lot of money. We have a lot of money. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna get chocolate bar. Sissy, are you done with yours? Throw it in the garbage can. Yeah, I'm gonna go wash my hands. Happy na daw tayo kasi may bahay tayo. Naglilinis daw ako dishes. Just don't answer. Naglilinis daw ako dishes. Pero daw luluto ako pagkain. Sis, what do you want for dinner? We don't have pizza. We only have chicken and beef and yeah. Yeah, we only have beef and stuff. You want beef or chicken? Okay, I got food. Let's eat at the table. I'm gonna get a drink. Tapos na daw tayo. I'm gonna go clean the dishes, okay? Just go to bed. It's in this room. Sissy, what do you do when it's dark? Okay, you can just watch TV. Hindi daw totoo. Fake lang daw. No, it's fake news. Kaya daw may movie ka na sila. No one died. Tapos na daw ako nilinis. Sissy, we have to go to bed. Why turn on the light? Where are you, Sissy? Where are you, Sissy? Oh, I see you now. I'm small, so like you can't see me. Very the morning na. Since we have to buy clothes. Yeah, because tomorrow is our school. So we have to bring money. Okay, I got the money. Now let's go outside. You see, we only have a car, okay? Just a bit of a car, okay? I'm gonna get it, okay? There it is. Well, you're cute too. daw may nakita ka, hindi. Sama daw, wow! We don't have enough money. Well, we can't afford work. No. If we go to school, we don't get money. If we go to work, we get money. Yeah. But I'm gonna slow this down a bit so I can drive properly. Okay, this should be enough. So you want ice cream after we buy? Okay. Wait, this is the car that we had. Sure. Please hop in the car. Hop in the car. We have a new car. Wait, I'm gonna slow it down. Okay, it's already slowed. What's your favorite snack? Ooh, mine too. I don't think the girl is okay. She's rolling on the floor. Pero may nakita ka na nagyayari sa store. That's the clothing store. I'm gonna get some stuff. Wait, just stay there, okay? I'm gonna extinguish it. Oh no! It's actually burning. I know what to do. I have a fire extinguisher. Please help me. There you go. I got one for you. There you go, accept that. You have to do it. Accept the store. Now let's go find. I got all our clothes that we need for school and our house. No, we just have new clothes for our home things. So we bought uniform and clothes and a backpack. So that's all. We can't afford a new house. We just can't have to live there. Hop in the car. I can't believe we experienced fire. Good thing we saved it. Pero sabi mo, Sissy? Yes? Let's buy first ice cream, then we buy a new house. Yes. Sure. We can. Pero paalis na tayo. Pero sa mo, sis, how about my ice cream? Oh, I forgot about that. Pero daw may nakita kang baby on the road. Hindi, ayaw mo na daw ice cream. Okay. Pero daw nakita mo castle ulit. Tingin ko yung screen ngayon. Hindi daw. Let's dress up into our new clothes. I'm gonna go change my clothes now since we bought new clothes. Pero nagbihis ako teddy bear kasi nagbili ako teddy bear damit. Ikaw din daw. Ha? I'm just gonna watch on TV. What are you doing, Sissy? Sis, the dolphin thing is again. Skip? It's not skip like that. Okay. Do not turn it off. If you press it, you turn it off. This. Breaking news. Cops have discovered aliens have been all over the world. And nobody can stop it, but everyone that's outside is aliens. Please do not go outside for a month. If you go outside, you'll die. Every school is closed. If you hear knocking, don't answer it. If you answer it, you'll die. Please beware of aliens. Yeah, it's fake because because there's a person driving a car. That's not a woman. That's a boy. Sis, what do you want for dinner? Pizza? Pizza is not allowed for dinner. Hot dogs. I'm just gonna clean up our house okay? I'm gonna clean up our house. Sit down because I'm cleaning. Where's your tablet, sis? You mean our? Tapos na daw akong linis. Well, yeah. I bought it, but I kept it in my bag for school since we're going to school. Sis, over here. Pero daw tapos na ako kumain. Okay, so I'm gonna clean our dishes. Bananas, sure. Pero habang naglilinis ako dishes, nakita kang ladder sa labas. Sa bintana dito sa kitchen. Ano daw ako maglinis? I'm gonna go clean the lawn. Sis, you wanna come outside with me? You wanna clean outside? You wanna go outside with me? Okay. I'm just gonna clean everything, okay? Just, yeah. Okay, you can play around. Sissy, where are you going? Sissy, where are you? Sissy, you can buy your own car now. You can get your own car now. Malaki ka na daw. Yan, ito yan. You can go now, okay? You can buy a car now. You can get your car now. Fun. Wee. 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 Woo. Woo. Okay. Sissy, please get your own car so we can drive to school today because it's school time. It's school time, girl. Okay. Just pick one. Only the little one, okay? Okay, Sissy, dress up in school. Yes, uniform. Yes, school uniform. Who parked their car here? Please wait for me, sis. Well, wait, the boy crashed into me. Coming. Sissy, what you doing? Pero daw magkaiba tayo ng room. Okay, bye, Sissy. Get your locker. On the other side. Not there. On the other side, not that. On the other side. May kinukuha daw ako sa room ko. I'm going to reading class. You have to reading class too? Oh, I'm gonna go to English class. Bye. I'm going to my class to read. Nakita mo daw ako. Reading. Hey, this is reading class. Follow. This is where you. Bye. Let's meet in the cafeteria. Nagbabasa na daw kami. Hindi pa daw, nagbabasa pa daw kami. Time for my next class. Nagpalit na daw tayo. Nagpunta ka daw sa class ko, tapos ako kami mga grade 1 nagpunta sa class niyo. Hello, Sissy. Hello. Pero daw, ano naman, lunch time. Hindi pa ko ito lunch. Tapos na daw ako sa chip ko. Iinom na. Pero daw dumala ako tubig ko. Sissy, come on, faster because we're gonna go to our next class. Bye. I'm going to my next class. Where is it? Hindi pa daw kasi nahanap ko pa yung... Hindi pa daw kasi papunta muna ako sa class ko. Pero daw, finalo mo ako kasi class mo din yung, yung pupuntahan ko. Pero daw, hindi kita inano kasi nagbabasa ko. Hindi daw dyan. Pero pumali ako dito kasi dyan yung kinder. Pero daw kailangan muna magbasa. Sissy, follow me to the reading room. That's not the reading room, dear. Did you bring our book? Why is it like that? Why is it like that? Pero tapos na ako magbasa. Pero gymnastics naman. Hindi piyang. Room. Yes. What is this? Please go on the other one. This is mine. The big one is mine. Pero daw pupunta. It's now every go and follow. Ako daw si Ruby. Slow walk. And go play soccer. Ako daw yung mag-suspan ng soccer ball. Yung ikaw na kumuha. Someday. Ay, maganda para sa akin. Nobody knows. I can't take it anymore. Hindi daw. Hindi yan na part of school. Long time na daw. Pero nalalakad lang tayo slowly para hindi tayo madapa. Not slowly. Pumasok daw ako sa pintuan. Ano na ang gymnastics. Say slowly so we don't fall over. Bagas. Bye. 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 Bye.